Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the DriveScape Dashcam app is and how it is positioned. The DriveScape app is a dual-camera dashcam solution designed mainly for drivers working with ride-sharing platforms like Uber, allowing them to record and manage in-car and road-facing footage for safety and incident reporting purposes, based on its official product information. It is positioned as a driver protection and evidence tool that helps capture what happens during trips so incidents can be reviewed clearly if needed. The app works with a connected dashcam system that records both inside and outside the vehicle automatically while driving. It also allows users to review recorded trips through the mobile app and request or share specific video clips when needed. Some versions include automatic crash detection and event-based recording to help capture important moments without manual input. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee recording accuracy, incident outcomes, or service performance, which can vary based on device setup, connectivity, and driving conditions. The app may require a compatible dashcam device and specific service setup depending on the program or vehicle type. It is mainly intended for drivers who want added protection and documentation while on the road. Some features depend on hardware compatibility, internet connectivity, and platform support, which can limit functionality. This could affect how quickly or reliably footage is available after an incident. For users who want a structured dashcam recording and driver safety system, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on how much value you place on incident recording and driver protection tools. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.